Alright, so I'm just trying to get a chrono of this Tacomo hurricane. Looks like we are at 1500 psi, so halfway down. Let off a couple rounds. I got a 20 clip in. See how she shoots, see how she works. .233 on the first. These are 7.1 gram right balls. 233 again. 232. God, I got that laser in right. 231. Too soon. 230. 232. 232. God, this thing goes full auto tube, not mouse. 231. Solely for less lethal purposes. Home defense. Air. And that 10 is out. Alright, so 7.1, we were getting 230. 17 joules. There'll be some tinkering going on with this, but at least we know for the starting point, we're at 17 joules, 230 feet per second. See where we go from here. Till next time.